we got a 2024 GMC Sierra key fob here. We're going to open it up and replace the battery. So on the left side here, there's a button. We're going to press and hold that down, and then we're going to pull out the emergency key. Okay, that unlocks the emergency key. Now we're going to take off this back cover, the one that says GMC on it. And I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver. There's a slot right here that you can put the screwdriver in and just pry up on it. Let's see how it comes up. This one's super simple to do. Now just watch out, this green seal, these things like to fall out after a while. Up here at the top, there's these slots that you can use just to pull the battery out. I'll show you what size the new battery is. New battery is going to be a CR2450, positive sign facing out towards us. Put it in the bottom first, slap it back in there just like that. Cover, again, watch the green seal. They like to fall down. Snap it back on, emergency key goes in, and you're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could.